What's up guys, and welcome to the 11th tutorial of programming in C++ using Xcode. In this tutorial, it's all about initializing a character array. So without further ado, let's start the video. Okay, the first thing you gotta do is go here and type chart str or whatever, because it's taking a string. Make this equal to anything you like. Hello, I'll probably just use my name if I want to. You can use your name if you want to. Semicolon, close that off. And then int I always make that equal to 0. We don't know its value at the minute. And then get into the while statement. str I is not equal to /0, and then the statement you can use std cout and then str like before. Increment it I++, semicolon, and yes, save that. And now let's execute this, see what we get. Build succeeded, and there you go. Probably have a new line. Execute that again, and that's what we're getting. Execute that again, and there you go. Okay. Alright, let's just leave it at that. Alright, that's it for this tutorial. I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for now.